will not forget the moments, the times we had. I will not forget the moment, the time we had. Hey. Go at my mama, she know that I'm bad. Go at my sister, she know that I'm bad. Go at my brother, he know that I'm bad. Go at my uncle, he know that I'm bad. Hey.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT. You know what it is. You see the vibes, baby. Today, I'm doing this for my boy Prince. That's right. This one for you, son. No meat, straight spaghettis, garlic bread. As a matter of fact, cue it. Yes, sir. Without further ado, let's get it in, baby. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee. And for y'all wondering, yes, this is left. Ooh. As you still leftover spaghetti. Now, for y'all wondering, now, I did fix the garlic bread. Now, I mean, I did a lot of stuff, but I did the garlic bread this time. Yes, sir. Now, I don't know what I was gonna say. KinggEATEAT, you doing too much. Right. I gotta be me, baby. Y'all see new merch. Yeah, sure. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Oh yeah, now it's ready. Now it's ready, y'all. Yes, sir. How y'all day been going, huh? I know. Y'all miss your boy. I ain't without your boy on there. And guess what? I'm right here, right now. I'm back, y'all. I'm ready to talk with your boy. Come on, man. Now I've been doing that now. Your boy been dieting. Yep, I have. I've been dieting, y'all. Why? Because they told me to. I had Mr. KinggEATEAT, sir. You're a little too wide around the midsection, sir. So, I'm gonna need you to slack up. And how many times a day do you eat? I'll give or take a meal, you know, maybe 6, 7, 8, maybe snacks, you know. Y'all know I had my boy with me, right? He gonna say, KinggEATEAT, you eat that many times a day? Doc said, KinggEATEAT. Oh yeah, man, you know, it's my YouTube name, you know. The doc said, oh, you on YouTube? I said, yeah, I'm on YouTube. You know, what's your name on YouTube? Man, I got my name on YouTube, y'all. He bust down and said, this why you wide around the midsection, sir. You can't be doing that. I said, well, when I do those meals, 9 times out of 10, that'll be my only meal for the day. That's how I used to do it. But recently, the boy done slipped and fell and flip-flopped and fell off the wagon. Flip-flopping. And fell off the wagon. Don't worry. The boy back now, I'm back, y'all. I'm back, y'all. I'm back on the wagon. So, that's why in my last video, y'all didn't see my last video. I'd rather be hated for who I am than loved for who I'm not. Y'all might want to go check that out. But, that's why I feel what I feel. I can't put out that many, y'all. I can't put out that many. So, let me know if y'all want your boy to do some vlogging or... Now, I do eat fruits now. Spitting all up there on me. I do eat fruits. I like pineapples and grapes and citrus and stuff like that. I don't think y'all want to see all that, though. You know, let me know in the comments, man, what y'all would like me to do. But I'm still going to do my mukbangs now. But it's just going to be like maybe once a week. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just something I just got to do, y'all. I love y'all. I hope y'all understand, you know. My health come first. Y'all want somebody to film my funeral and put it on here, and y'all gonna be like, man, well, we enjoy this content, but, you know, on to the next one, you know. So, I gotta bear with your boy. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh, hey, y'all. This him busting. As my boy Lil Gilmore would say, busting. It be a busting now. It's leftover, but it's busting. I'm not in the comment. A lot of y'all in the comments, y'all be agreeing with me when I say leftover is the best. Yeah, it really is. But on a serious note though, y'all, I need y'all to do me something funny. For the year 2020, I want y'all to do something for me. Help somebody. Just help somebody. Anybody. It don't matter. I see a homeless person. Give him a blanket. Buy him a meal. Just help somebody. Maybe one of your family members need some help. Just help somebody. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot going on in the world, y'all. And believe it or not, ain't nobody gonna help us. We gotta help ourselves. It's enough of us to help ourselves. You know what I'm saying? But that's what my New Year's resolution is. Help somebody. Help anybody. And go for your dreams. Sometimes you might tell somebody your dream, and they might be like, what are you talking about? But just for you. It ain't for them. You know what I'm saying? When I first started YouTube, people was like, oh man, what? I got hundreds of people looking at my videos. You know what I'm saying? I ain't nobody. You know what I'm saying? I mean, hey. So, go for your dreams, people. Don't let nobody tell you what you can and can't do. You know what I'm saying? It might not be easy. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be hard. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's just the way it is. But you move around, you know what I'm saying? You might get a helping hand here and there. You know what I'm saying? Just take advantage of it. You know what I'm saying? If somebody lend a helping hand, take advantage of it. You know what I'm saying? So just do what you got to do to get where you're trying to go until you get there. You know what I'm saying? When you do get there, do not forget the people who pulled you up, who helped you. You know what I'm saying? Always remember where you came from, because, bro, I promise you, I came from the bottom. I'm still at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? I'm still here. You know what I'm saying? But guess what, though? I'm still fighting. You know what I'm saying? To get where? To the top, baby. You know what I'm saying? So, I love y'all. I love y'all. Lord knows I do. All my EEs out there, EE. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.